Guys, pakinggan natin ang point of view ng ating megastar Sharon Cuneta patungkol doon sa tanong na parents make their children retirement. So, para din sa akin ay hindi ko agree doon na usually ang mga parents, lalong-lalo na sa mga OFW, magsasabi talaga or sinasabi nila na tapos na yung mga anak mo, kailangan umuwi ka na, magpahinga ka na dahil may mga trabaho na sila, so sila na naman. No, para sa akin, kung kaya ko pa naman magtrabaho, kailangan kong magtrabaho. Bakit? Dahil may mga pangarap din yung mga anak. Habang malakas pa tayo, ay kailangan pa nating kumita para sa sarili natin. Hindi ka masaya doon, sulong-sulo na yung sweldo mo. Hindi mo na ipapadala sa mga anak mo dahil may makanya-kanya na silang trabaho. So, pakinggan natin kung ano yung paliwanag ni Sharon bilang isang nag-aalaga din ng nanay kasi inaalagaan talaga ni Sharon ang ina niya bago naman ito talaga kinuha ng Panginoon. Dahil bilang isang Pilipino, kultura na talaga natin na alagaan natin ang ating mga magulang kahit wala tayong pera.
To Filipinos, parents making their children their retirement plan.
I feel bad about that. I feel bad about that. When my kids na they make me na this yung mama, we're gonna take care of you. Oh honey, I don't expect you to do that because I'm working so hard for you guys. But I think it's also right for a child. Like, I did it. But I didn't really have to take care of my parents day to day. But when there was a big bill, like a medical bill, a hospital, oh my God, these are my parents. I mean, without their guidance and their love and the way they raised me, I don't think I would have come as far as I have. But I think kailangan din sa atin yung filial piety. It's just in our culture. And I'm sorry, kahit anong sabihin mo, may utang na loob ka sa magulang. So, siguro hindi naman like me, they know I don't need their money, pero yung the mere thought na naisip nila, it's so like Frankie, when she got her first paycheck, it was 20,000 in cash. When she got home, I said, wow, Mama, you were paid. You know, she was giving the whole amount to me and Kiko. She said, it's my first one. Oh my God. You know, just give us 1,000, we'll split it. So I go, and then you keep that. Half of it you can spend for what you want, half of it just keep it muna. You're teaching them, you know. Just the gesture. Just generosity. Yes, the gesture. Parang nakakaano lang ng dibdib, di ba? Parang, or someone will say, Mom, you can use my savings muna. I'm not, oh, no, di ba? If I ever borrow money from you, I will pay with interest, but I never have. So, it's just cute na they're aware and they're very willing and there's so much trust and respect. So, yun lang, I think, don't ignore your parents. Iba naman yung talagang nineglect ka, tulang pakialam sa'yo. Iba naman yun, syempre case-to-case basis. Pero yung talagang nandyan, from the beginning, magulang mo.